Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing 10 plants and flowers that are said to bring good fortune into your life. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are sure to bring a little extra luck and positivity into your life. At the top of our list, at number 1, we have the Jade Plant, also known as the money tree. This lush green plant symbolizes wealth and prosperity, making it a popular choice for those looking to improve their financial situation. Up next, at number 2, we have the lucky bamboo. This versatile plant is believed to bring happiness and good luck, and is often given as a gift to friends and loved ones. The money plant is next on our list at number 3. With its fast-growing nature, it's said to bring financial success and is a popular choice for those looking to improve their financial situation. The Pachira aquatica, or the money tree, takes the number 4 spot. With its large and distinctive appearance, it's believed to bring prosperity and good luck and is often grown as a bonsai tree. At number 5, we have the peace lily. This beautiful white-flowered plant symbolizes peace and tranquility, as well as good luck. Coming in at number 6, the tulip. Its bright colors make it a popular choice for bringing good luck, especially when it's given as a gift. The daffodil is next on our list at number 7. With its cheerful yellow color, it's said to bring good fortune and new beginnings, especially in the springtime. Number 8 is the orchid. With its exotic and delicate appearance, it symbolizes love and good luck, making it a popular choice for those looking to improve their relationships. The iris takes the 9th spot. With its colorful and fragrant blooms, it's believed to bring good fortune, especially when given as a gift. Finally, at number 10, we have the sunflower. Standing tall and cheerful, it's said to bring happiness and good luck, and is often associated with the sun and positivity. Well, that's it for our list of 10 lucky plants and flowers. We hope you found this information helpful, and you'll consider incorporating one of these lucky plants into your home or garden. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great content.